Welcome to DeepTutors YouTube channel, where we teach you everything you need to know about financial markets and making money online. I am so excited to have you and can't wait to share my knowledge and experience with you because I've been in the market since 2017. Now, if you're looking to learn how to invest wisely, grow your wealth, and create a successful online business, then you have come to the right place. Our videos are designed to both be informative and engaging, providing you with the practical tips and strategies that can help you to implement right away. So, if you want to stay ahead of the game and take control of your financial future, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the post notification. Now, you won't afford to miss the next video coming. All you need to do is to stay connected. Now, thanks for stopping by and see you in the video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Uniswap. Now, Uniswap is the biggest decentralized exchange in cryptocurrency. And when we talk about decentralized exchanges, Uniswap is actually the biggest. I'm going to be showing you that and share with you a lot more about Uniswap. Now, before we get straight into the video, we want to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Please, I want you to help us to achieve this goal by liking this video, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and turn on the post notification. Because why? I'm going to be making lots more videos about airdrops, the cryptocurrency I'm getting in, and a whole lot about crypto in this channel. And not just about crypto, things related to making money online. You'll also be seeing it in this YouTube channel. All right, let's get straight into the video right now. Now, this is Uniswap currently at $6.17. As you can see, the price is actually going down. Now, Uniswap started way back in 2019. That was when it recently launched. Then people started using it at early 2020. That was when the DeFi season started hotting up. That was when I started using Uniswap as of that time. And they did an airdrop. That was in September of 2020. And that was the first time I'm getting access to airdrop. And it was a lot of money. Now, people made a lot of money from that airdrop just by what? Interacting with the protocol early enough. As you can see, this is CoinGecko, a lot about Uniswap. I want to show you things about it so you can actually see that this is actually a huge opportunity. As you can see, launched at September 2020. As you can see, the lowest price was $1.03. You can see the all-time high is $44.95. Now, looking at the price we are at right now, this is a very massive discount. Because why? What the use of this Uniswap is so big. Because why? There's a whole lot of things you can do with Uniswap. And Uniswap is actually interacting with a lot of different chains at the moment. Now, talking about the success of Ethereum, if Ethereum becomes successful tomorrow, this Uniswap is going to be a game changer because almost everything that is done in Ethereum, you need Uniswap to do that. And it's very, very important. I'm going to be showing you that in this video. Now, even if you go to, for you to see the different other decentralized exchange in crypto, if you go to this website, which is coingecko.com/exchange/decentralized. And when you come here, you can see Uniswap is actually topping number 1 and also number 2, which is Uniswap version 3 and Uniswap Arbitrum. Now, Uniswap version 3 came as a result of so much expensive Ethereum gas fee, where that was in 2020 and 2021 and 2022. It was so worse at those time. So that was when they moved from version 1 to version 2. Right now we are on version 3. So this is actually the biggest. You can see the 24-hour trading volumes are around 698 million. Way back in 2020, this was running in billions because everybody was rushing into DeFi. A lot of things was happening. But right now we're in bear market. That's why the volume dropped. But guys, I can tell you what we are moving into is a world of decentralization. And Uniswap is going to be massively used. And you can see the 24-hour trading volume of DEX around 2.5 billion. So it's a huge opportunity. When we talk about Ethereum or layer 2 season, Uniswap is a game changer, guys. It's a huge opportunity. This is why I'm sharing it with you. Because why? Most people, when they come into crypto, they tend to go and buy maybe the newest coin that someone told them to go and buy without looking into the market to see what is already in existence that just discounted. For example, if I'm trying to buy a stock right now, there is no way I will not buy Facebook stock or start going and buying any recently newly added stock or maybe a new company. But Facebook is a company that has already been there. that their stock went down is already an opportunity and is at a discounted price for me to get in. So getting into Uniswap is a huge opportunity because of what? The use case of Uniswap. Now let's go back to the previous website. Let me show you more information there. Now when you come here, as you can see, the price is at $6.18. Now this is the market capitalization, around 4.6 billion. 24-hour trading volume is around 56 million. Fully diluted market cap is around 6 billion. As you can see, total TVL locked. This is amazing. Around 6.6 billion has been added to this protocol. 6.6 billion. Guys, this is a wake-up call. For me, this is a no-brainer for you to know that this is going to be huge. For me, Uniswap is going to be one of the cryptocurrencies that is going to recover to the all-time highs, to the previous highs. Now, it's going to recover because of the use case of this particular cryptocurrency called Uniswap. And you can see the circulating supply and the maximum supply. It has a good tokenomics whereby that everything goes so well. And you can actually use Uniswaps in different chains, which I'm going to be showing you. So guys, this is an opportunity for you to go and do your own research. But I'm not giving you a financial advice, but this is what I'm going to be buying because I see this as an opportunity. Getting this at a discounted rate as of right now, because if the bull market comes, I see this Uniswap as one of the cryptocurrencies that will recover to the previous high, which will give me around 20x. So if I make 20x of whatever I put in, it's a good money for me, I can tell you. So it's for me to show you this particular crypto so you can actually do your research and understand how it works. So I'm going to be going into other websites for you to see how it works, how to use it, because you need to know how to use it, because the purpose of this video is to show you how to use Uniswap. So if you want to use Uniswap, if you come to the other side to see more information, you can see the contract address on the Ethereum network. If you click on this drawdown right here, you see other network that is currently trading on. You can see BNB chain, Polygon, mostly the EVM blockchain. Now, if you don't know what is EVM, EVM means Ethereum virtual machines. So it actually runs on so many EVM blockchain. So let's go to their website to see how it works. So once you click on uniswap.org, you find yourself to this place. Then you click on launch app. It will take you to the trading desk where you can do a lot of things on their platforms. All right, so this is their platform where you can do several things of your choice. You can swap tokens, you can, look at NFT, you can even add liquidity and different other things you can do here. So when you come here, you can see the symbol of Ethereum right here, and you also see a drawdown button. Click on that drawdown button. You also see different other EVM blockchain that you can use to trade on Uniswap. You can use Polygon, Optimism, Arbitron, Silo, and BNB chain. So this is amazing. Some of the EVM blockchain are being used on Uniswap. So depending on the one you want to do, you can actually choose anything of your choice. So I'm going to be interacting with different ones, so to show you how it works. So for you to use it, the first thing to do is to click on connect wallet. You need to connect your wallet, so you can see options of different wallets you can connect it to. But we're going to be using MetaMask because of the video. So if you don't have a MetaMask, I have a video in this channel where I talk about how to set up your MetaMask, so you can set up your MetaMask right away. Click on MetaMask, then you allow it to load. You just have to do some verification, network confirmations, and put in your details so you can access it. So let me go ahead and put my password. All right, as you can see, I've input my password already. And immediately I put in my password and connect to my wallet, it's showing me OP. You can see this is Optimism. So I can change it to any of these blockchains. If I want to trade on those blockchains, I can change it to Polygon, to Arbitron, to BNB chain. So if, for example, I want to swap Ethereum for any crypto, let me just say, let me use USDC, for example. So let me swap. I have about $7 USDC right here. So let me swap this $7 USDC to Ethereum. So the USDC will be on top, which is the one I want to swap. Then I'll click on max. I want to swap this $7 USDC back to Ethereum. So I'll click on approve use of USDC. So once you click on it, you just allow it to do some network confirmation so you can proceed. This is how to use Uniswap. Very easy for beginners. So it is not that difficult. The first thing is just to set up your MetaMask. That's the first thing. Then here you click on max. You want to use everything. You can see, click on max. Scroll down. Then you click on next. Then you scroll down again so you can do some network approval. You can see the gas fee is 23 cents. Now the reason why the gas fee is this cheap is because why? I'm using the Ethereum layer 2 network, which is Optimism. Optimism is one of the scaling solutions of the Ethereum. We have Polygon, we have Optimism, we have zk, we have so many of them, but I'm using Optimism at the moment. So you click on approve to allow it, give you some time, and it will automatically transfer. Then you click on sign, then you click on swap. Let me swap it right now. Confirm. Let's see if it goes. So it works. Then click on confirm. Awesome. You can see success. I have successfully swapped the 7 USDC that I have back to Ethereum. You can see right now. So this is how simple it is to use Uniswap. This is for beginners who don't know how to do this. You need just to watch this video, just follow it step by step, download your MetaMask. The first thing, set it up, then you start using it. Now remember, you can use it in different blockchain. Now the blockchain we just used it on now is Optimism. So if you click on this drop bell icon, this drop down icon there, you can use it on Ethereum, on Polygon, on Arbitron, on Celo, and on BNB. So you can also click on Polygon and you also do some transaction. If you have Polygon in your wallet, you can actually use it on Polygon. So you can see it is switching from Optimism to Polygon. So whichever network that you choose, it will automatically switch itself. You see what it tells you. We're about to switch from Optimism to Polygon mainnet. So you click on switch network, automatically switched. You can see now you can actually start doing some interaction. Now I have 1.7 Matic in this wallet. So let me just do kind of transaction to show you how it works. So let me switch to let me just turn it to USDC, for example. So I have 1.7 Matic. So I will use 0.5 for you to see how it works. Now I want to move 0.5 Matic that I have to USDC, which is around 0.55 cents. Yeah, 55 cents. That's just what it is. Then you click on swap for you to see how it works in different blockchains and different networks. So click on confirm swap. You give it some time. This is very simple for beginners to know how to do this. No, it has another interface. Let's say, for example, you're doing it with your cell phone, but right now we are just doing it to our PC. But if you want to see the video on how to do it on your cell phone, drop it on the comment section that you want to see it, and I'll make a video about it. Then you scroll down, you can see the network fee on Polygon is just 5 cents. You can see it's very cheap. So click on confirm. You can see transaction submitted. You can see that's it. You have done it. So you just click on add USDC if you want. If you want to add it, you can add it. So that's how to interact with Uniswap. If you want to do your swapping, as you can see, it's showing pending here. Yeah, on top here. Just give it a few minutes. It will just confirm. I think it's on a kind of like a queue. Maybe there's just so much congestion on the website. You can see it has swapped. Yeah, swapped. See how simple it is. So this is very simple to do. So guys, this is how to do it. So like I said, you can use it in different other blockchains. But remember, if you're using Ethereum network, you have to pay more higher gas fee because Ethereum network is quite expensive, probably around $10 or maybe $5 to $10. That's what you pay. Or it can even be more depending on what is happening at the moment. Depending on people using the Ethereum network at the moment, that determines the kind of transaction fee that you're going to pay. So you can actually do swapping. Then you click on tokens. If you want to see the tokens currently on Uniswap, the highest traded tokens in Uniswap, this is it. But the one we are seeing right here is the ones on Polygon blockchain. You can see Polygon network. You can click on that drawdown and choose Ethereum network. It will show you so many cryptocurrency, the top traded crypto in that network. So this is top traded crypto in Ethereum network. You can see Ethereum is actually number one, followed by stable coins and wrapped BTC. You can see it there. So majority of them are stable coin. But this is, can you see a coin at number 6, which is Zen Crypto? Guys, I'm going to be making a video about this particular crypto. For me, this is going to be very huge in the years to come. Talking about this crypto. It is currently very cheap at the moment. I'm going to be making a video about it. You don't need to miss it. This particular crypto can make millionaires. So I'm going to be making video about it. So this is it. So if you can even change it to other networks, you can change it to Arbitron to see the most traded token in Arbitron network. If you go to Arbitron, the first one is Ethereum, followed by stablecoin and Arbitron token, that is ARB. Then GMS is also another crypto I'm going to be making video on. So guys, this is also how to see the most traded crypto in those network. Then if you click on NFT, NFT is where you see NFT listings. You can see different tradable NFT trending ones. These are some of the trending NFTs, which is wrapped CryptoPunk. These are so many of them. These are trending NFT at the moment. You can switch it to it if you want to see the prices in US dollar or in Ethereum prices. So any one of your choice, but by default you see it in ETH. You can even move it to USD. See the amount, you can see the floor price of this wrapped CryptoPunk. That's about $114,000. That's the floor price. That's the cheapest. It's expensive, bro. All right. So let's go up. So the next thing there is to click on pools. If you click on pools, this is when you can now add liquidity. And I'm going to be making a video about how to add provide liquidity and also earn money from it. It's also another way to earn passive income from crypto. There's also pros and cons about it. You need to also understand how it works. All right, so more other information there. There is no more other information around here. You can actually vote on governance. Yeah, you can actually vote on governance. That is, if you understand DeFi and different things, you can vote on the governance. That means you have to buy the token, which is Uniswap, and stake it so you can actually vote on governance. I think you can also use Ethereum to vote on the governance as well. And the majority of them, I think, is Uniswap. You can see a minimum threshold of 0.25% of the total unit supply is required to submit proposal. So that just it. So you don't even need to do all these ones. These are people who are kind of like big guns. Yeah, people have millions of these tokens. These are the people that can create proposal. If you can do it, fine, it's cool. But me personally, I'm not really interested in this at the moment. All right, thank you for watching this video. This is the end of Uniswap at the moment. I'm going to be making more videos about so many things I'm looking out for in crypto. So stay connected and see you in the next video.